Hi, when I joined Mithyl's Instagram workshop, I did not even know how to use it. But a world of knowledge was revealed to me in this workshop. I learned how to make good videos for my post. I learned how to make good bio. I did not even have a good bio. It was very easy to learn the importance and make a good video, good bio for myself. And most important was reels, how to make reels and make them much effective, usage of hashtags, and also the content creation, how you can create content from your everyday life and use that for making real good, awesome, attractive content on your page, which will eventually lead you to create a lot of following. Now I've got real good followers. I know how to create content. I've also started using my Instagram for my coaching practice as well. So this workshop is highly recommended. Do not miss it. It is going to be a different perspective which you're going to get about Instagram, and it will certainly benefit in whatever business you are doing. So please go for it.